Hey guys, I just wanted to go over this activity that y'all did yesterday. Make sure you had an understanding of it. So I already did y equals 4. I did that yesterday, so I just left that up there. Now I have started with 4x plus 1. Remember the slope is 4, but that's 4 over 1. So that means you'll start at 0, 1, which I've already done. I put a plot there, and you can make that smaller, but I was just trying to make it to where it was easy to be seen. So, and then you rise 4 and run 1. Now you can also work backwards and go -4, -1, because that's going to end you up in the same spot. And it's right over the caret. So it passes through the caret, so that's got to be the figure that we drag over and we put with that line because it passes through that line. Now, I kind of started the pink for the -1/2 x minus 2 just because I was having trouble with some dots. So I started at -2 right here. Here's my little point. I started at -2. Whoops, let me put it back. Undo, undo, undo. And then I drop down 1 and to the right 2. And notice it goes right over our little scissor guy. Okay, so that's going to be your graph. And it's going to go like, and you can go, just to go like you're going backwards, you can go up 1 and over 2, and you're going to just kind of get another circle and make it little. So you're going to go up 1 and over 2. It'll be right there that we grab a circle. Up 1 over 2, right? I guess it just don't want to do it for me. Let's see. Right there. And we're going to turn it pink just because everything else is pink on that one. And it would be right there. So there's your there's your graph right there. Move it up a little bit. Okay. And notice we're going to graph the line. Now you're going to pick your line, and it's going to go straight through this right here. It should go right through there. Okay. So we grab the line. And you're going to just cross it through. It doesn't have to be perfect. I know what y'all are doing. Okay. Because mine's a little wonky too. But it's going to go through those lines. And again, we can edit it. And the other thing, if you wanted to, you could always do it on a sheet of paper and I can see it. That way you can just print it out. Or you can just kind of give me the information. So it passes through the scissors. So we're going to grab this little scissor guy, and that's how we're identifying that angle. Now let's do y equals x plus 2. So we're going to start at the 2, at the positive 2. And I'm just going to grab a little circle 1, 0, 2. I'm going to put it right, maybe. I'm having a little trouble with my circles tonight. Okay, right there. And then I'm going to change the color of it to green. Okay, so now I'm going to go, because the coefficient of x is 1, we go up 1 over 1. Okay, so you're just going to do another one. And you can copy and paste that circle if you want to right here. And you can do it again here. Notice we got another one. Here. Okay, so you notice where the line is going, right? And you can go backwards also. And you can get at, whoa, that's big. Okay, so you're going to go right here and grab another circle and just kind of put your little point right there, a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe not. Y'all know what I'm trying to say because I'm having a little trouble tonight with my computer. It's not wanting to do stuff. There you go. Now, you've got enough of a line, enough points to create a line. So you're just going to go through the points with the line like that. And you're going to check your thickness, and you can change your color back to green, and there you go. All right, and so it goes through the little world guy, so we're going to move him over to here. All right, so there's more than one, and we only have one equation, so you're going to have one left over, okay? So negative 1/3 x plus 3, which means you're going to go down 1 and over 3, but start at 0, 3. So we're going to start at 0, 3, positive 3. Well, there's a bunch of little stuff right there. Okay, so we're going to put a little color on that one. We'll do yellow, or not green, yellow. Not pink either. All right, purple. Okay, so now we're going to go down 1 over 3. Down 1, whoops. Okay, now we're going to go down 1 and over 3, and that's going to land us right here on this little star, our little star guy. And that is, I mean, honestly, you can do it with 2 points right there. And so we're going to make our line, going to grab our line, and it's going to be like that, and we're going to just change the color so we have our color scheme going. You don't have to, it's fine. This is really for your own benefit. As long as you see this, if you can't copy it because of all the stuff, make sure you see that, make sure you just go over mine and understand what I did every time, okay? So if yours is having trouble, or if you're having trouble navigating through all that stuff, that's fine. Just watch mine, and that'll suffice. It's not something you're going to be graded on, so you can just watch what I'm doing to know. If you want to play with it and work with it and figure it out, that's fine, but just so you know, that's how we do it. All right, so now we got to find the intersection point of the world and the strawberry. So that is right here. Okay, so you have a point in which they intersect, and that point is 1, 2 on the x and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y. So the point here is 2, 4. Well, 2 and 4. Now we got to look at now we notice that our star and our strawberry line are intersecting here. We don't have a point there, but we could. It intersects right here, and that is at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be negative 3, 4. And those are our intersection points. And that's all you have to do for that. And if it confused you, just kind of take a look at what I did, and that's okay. Just review yours, see if yours went well. Of course, mine's not perfect either, especially with these little dots. I was having trouble with my mouse, so I was doing it on my screen, and so it was giving me a little bit of a problem. Okay, so just recognize how I graphed the lines and notice that the intersection points are what we were talking about. This is what an intersecting line is of systems when they cross each other, here and here. Okay, where I put you can see the shadow here and here. Okay, so I'm going to add another video just about parallel lines and perpendicular lines, about their slopes, and then you'll be done for the day. So watch the next video as well.